Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I am here to tell you why this simple, modern 40-ounce Trek tumbler is the best and why it works so good for me. So this tumbler, it's stainless steel. The color I chose is Raspberry Vibes. It's leak resistant, vacuum insulated, and it's cup holder friendly. And it holds 40 ounces, which is 5 cups of water. So for me, that's perfect because all I have to do is just drink 2 of these, and now I've managed to get my daily requirement of water in. So the simple modern Trek tumbler, it's double walled and vacuum insulated to keep your drink hot or cold for hours. The cup is outfitted with an ergonomic handle that is designed for comfort. It comes with a straw lid and 2 straws, so you can enjoy whatever you want to drink on the go. The straw lid is a 4-way thread to allow 4 different straw placements for your drinking hand preference. And that's my point of view.